Hi! Finally it's warm again outside, and that is why today I would like to show you how to prepare a good iced tea at home. First, some basic rules. We are talking about traditional iced tea here, which is hot brew, not cold brew. So just take the tea, hot water and the normal steeping times, maybe a bit longer. Take the same dosage that you normally use or a bit more. If you want to sweeten your tea with, for example, sugar, do it when the tea is hot. That is much easier. Please be aware that green teas, white teas, black teas all contain caffeine. I chose the Organic Fruit Symphony Julius Meinl leaf bag. I take 4 pyramids for 1 liter. This is approximately 12 grams. Switch on your water kettle. Infuse the tea with only half a liter of boiling water. The remaining water comes in with the melting ice later. Start the timer. We have a fruit tea here, so we take 8 minutes. Stir from time to time and keep the tea in motion. That is good for the extraction. After 8 minutes you will hear your alarm. Squeeze out the tea bags, take them out and remove them. Take a big glass, this one has half a liter of volume, and fill it with ice cubes. Then pour the hot tea directly over the ice. Afterwards you can still add ice cubes if you like. Then decorate the tea a bit. And enjoy your iced tea.